Well, here it is so far. I really love how it's turning out. It's got a nice, smooth movement. It doesn't have much play. These are not tightened yet. They don't have the nuts on the back, so it will have some more wobble than when it's finished. And it just has enough spring that it can come down. This is the closed position. You want it to strike straight as opposed to coming down at an angle. So you want this to be horizontal when it's striking. So that is the striking angle right there. So when you hit the foot pedal, well, actually, it's going to be, this is the resting position. Then when you hit the foot pedal, it's going to be pulling there, give you a lot of momentum, and bring it down. So it springs and brings it up nicely. And this could be motorized when I feel like getting a motor. So now I just need to make the anvil side and then the dies. I'm going to make it so you can switch out different hammer heads and anvil faces. So there we go so far. I like it.